butterfly. I just got home from washing my car, and then I went to a Yelp event. I got fried rice from the food truck. I'll tag it. And then I also got a cupcake and a coffee, iced coffee. An Oreo cupcake for Ernie. King's Cakes and coffee. And then you're not going to believe this. I got a soft drink from the fried rice guy. And look at this. Is that not dynamite looking? Fried rice. So, thank you to Yelp. Thank you to Fatboy Fried Rice. Thank you to all my Yelp friends. Love you guys. It's good seeing y'all today. Rosanna and Leah and Jimmy and Michelle and Rich. So, it's great seeing everybody. I met a few new people. And Ernie and I are getting ready to go shopping, so I had to hurry home. I couldn't stay. But anyway, there's Ernie's car. He needs to take his to the car wash. I'm right in the middle of washing clothes. And also see they have a delivery. Alright, talk to you guys later. Have a great weekend. Bye.